Hi everyone, and welcome to Sky Treasures for late autumn and early winter. The nights are getting longer now, but that also means we can begin our stargazing earlier. As the air gets cooler and drier, the stars seem to burn clear and bright. With just a pair of binoculars, you can enjoy some of the most beautiful star clusters in the entire night sky. If you look low in the east a few hours after sunset, you should find the 3 stars in a line that represent Orion's belt. Orion the Hunter is perhaps one of the most recognizable constellations of the winter night sky, and the belt stars can guide you to several deep sky wonders. Imagine drawing a line with your mind's eye up from the belt until you find a bright orange-colored star. It seems to belong to a big V-shaped group of stars. This traces out the face of Taurus the Bull, one of the oldest known constellations in the zodiac, going back as much as 6,000 years. But point your binoculars there and you'll notice the V is full of stars. It's known as the Hyades star cluster, a loose gathering of about 100 stars that all formed together around 600 million years ago. It's the closest cluster of its type to Earth at only 150 light years away, and that makes it among the most studied. The bright orange star Aldebaran is not a part of the cluster at all. It's 3 times closer and just happens to lie along the same line of sight. Now go back into the sky and keep tracing your line higher up and you'll find another star cluster. It almost looks like a miniature Little Dipper, but it's not the Little Dipper constellation at all, it's the Pleiades. Sometimes called the 7 Sisters, the Pleiades are very similar to the Hyades, but 3 times farther away and with many more stars. Binoculars alone reveal over 80 stars, and telescopes will show hundreds. The Pleiades seem to be surrounded by a faint bluish haze. Photography reveals it to be a nebula of dust, reflecting the starlight and scattering a bluish color in the same way our atmosphere scatters light to make our sky look blue. So put on a warm coat, grab those binoculars, and check out the star clusters of winter. You can get a tour of what else to find in the winter skies at the end of any of our shows at the Delta College Planetarium. With the Delta College Planetarium and Learning Center, I'm Mike Murray.